So first, change of state is correct. Okay, by the way, remember that the change of phase, it's change of state, right? It's a physical process, yeah. Okay, we put it as a physical change. Okay, so change of state. And let's say solid to liquid to gas. As you go across, right? Remember, yeah, you absorb energy. Okay, so energy solid to liquid, energy is given out. Yes, it might be. Okay, solid to liquid, yes, melting. Wait a second, heat given out. No, heat absorb, right? As what I mentioned, when you go across, it absorbs, right? Bye. See ya. Gas to liquid. Okay, go back. Heat taken in. Okay, and gas to liquid, my dears, condensation, right? Okay, so bye. Okay, solid to gas. Heat taken in. Yes, correct. Sublimation. Yes, sexy. Okay, so answer is C. Gases are separated from liquid air by fractional distillation. Okay, guys, look at fractional distillation. Can you name me other two processes that can be checked? Hey, that can undergo fractional distillation for you to separate it. Okay, another. First, remember in your IG, liquid air must undergo air fractional distillation for you to get it. The second one, you have fermentation. Fermentation process to extract your ethanol. Also undergo fractional distillation. And one more, what is it? Fractional distillation can also be used for crude oil. Which gas is both monoatomic? So monoatomic, this monoatomic, right, is like Ryan, my student Ryan. Okay, so this fella, right, is single and forever alone. Forever alone, right, it's inert. This fella is not reactive. See, go after any girl, right? Any girl reject him. Cannot find any chemistry with any girl. It's kind of sad. Okay, single, hi. So look at this part. Helium, although it is, okay, helium is not very inert. Okay, neon can, but neon is not in the air. Yeah? You can't find neon in the air. Yeah? Okay, nitrogen is inert, but it's not monoatomic. Nitrogen is diatomic. Okay, what do you mean by diatomic? Diatomic is always together. They always together. For example, okay, if you have any gay friend or any PDA couple, they always together. That's diatomic. So N2, for example, Ray, my student Ray, who's your gay partner? Always see you holding hand. So gay. Okay, so A. Okay, let's continue with number 3. Okay, the two different food coloring X, Y are tested for chromatography. Okay, 3 purple dye, 1 also tested. Okay, so X and Y contain two or more dye. Is it true? Okay, let's look at A. X and Y. X, you have 3 spots. Yes, contain more than 1. Yes, contain more than 1. Contain more than. Okay, so this is correct. Dye 2 and 3 are present in both X and Y. Where is dye 2? Yes, correct. Yes, correct. This is right, also right. RF value of 1. Okay, by the way, what is RF value? So for your RF value, always remember it's basically the distance traveled by dye over your solvent front. Yeah. So RF value of 1 is 5/8. So 5/8 is 0.625. I mean, my brain, oh yeah, it is. Ha 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 ha. So guys, you see how to not get A star for chem, how to not get full marks for chem. It's so easy.